To use Apple Pay in India, start by ensuring your device is compatible, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. Next, check if your bank supports Apple Pay, as major banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis Bank do. First, open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a card. Select Continue. Then choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Take a picture of your card or enter the details manually. Your bank will verify the information, and you may be asked to provide additional details for security purposes. Once verified, agree to the terms and conditions. To add your card to your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Add Card and follow the same steps as before. To make a transaction using Apple Pay, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the terminal. You can also use Apple Pay within apps and on websites. Look for the Apple Pay button at checkout. Then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To manage your cards and transactions, open the Wallet app and tap on a card to see recent transactions and card details. You can also remove a card or suspend it if lost or stolen. For security, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number, instead using a unique device account number. This provides an additional layer of protection against fraud. In summary, using Apple Pay in India is a straightforward process that requires a compatible device, a supported bank, and a few minutes to set up. With Apple Pay, you can make secure and convenient transactions in stores, within apps, and on websites.